Hey everyone, this is B from WDIR. In today's episode, we're going to cover the 5 whys, a concept developed by Toyota in the manufacturing world that can be surprisingly effective in tackling UX problems in B2B payments. Let's jump in. The 5 whys method is an iterative interrogative technique pioneered at Toyota Motor Corporation in the 1930s to explore the cause and effect relationships underlying a specific problem. By working back the cause of one effect to another up to 5 times, designers can expose root causes and explore effective solutions. Let's dive into a real issue that payment platform providers often face: high churn rates following onboarding. It's a problem that can put serious pressure on business growth. Yet, with the right tools, it's also highly solvable. It's a frustrating moment for many payments executives. After significant investments in acquisition and marketing, a flood of new users sign up. But shortly after onboarding, many of them disappear. This high churn rate following onboarding is more than a minor pain point. It's a critical business issue. The churn represents not only lost revenue, but also wasted resources spent attracting users who ultimately don't stick around. So what's happening here? And more importantly, why? Step 1. Asking why. The first step is identifying the core symptom: high user churn after onboarding. We then ask the first why to start uncovering the reasons behind this behavior. Why number 1. Why are users churning post-onboarding? Answer: they're frustrated with the complexity of the onboarding flow. Step 2. Digging deeper. With the first layer exposed, it's time for the next why. Why number 2. Why is the onboarding flow complex? Answer: users must complete numerous forms, sometimes leading to errors and abandonment. Step 3. Continuing down the path. With the complexity of the onboarding flow identified, let's ask the next why. Why number 3. Why are there so many forms? Answer: legal and compliance requirements necessitate extensive information gathering. Step 4. The fourth why examines the process. With compliance as a key factor, the next question digs into how the onboarding process is structured. Why number 4. Why is all information gathered at once? Answer: the system isn't set up to allow phased or conditional onboarding. Step 5. The final why to reveal the core UX problem. We're now at the 5th why, which often brings us closest to the true root cause. Why number 5. Why hasn't a phased approach been adopted? Answer: the payment solution was designed for compliance rather than a smooth user experience, leaving no room for phased interactions. Root cause: compliance-focused platform that sacrificed usability. In this scenario, we've identified that a compliance-driven onboarding approach is overwhelming users, causing high post-onboarding churn. The one-time exhaustive onboarding structure is far too rigid for users who want quick, straightforward access to services. The solution isn't to compromise on compliance, but rather to design a more user-centered, phased onboarding experience. There you have it, a high-level overview of the 5 whys framework in action to tackle B2B payment UX issues. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel to never miss an update.